Good morning everyone, welcome to day 14 of Morning Yoga Challenge. Let's begin this practice in mountain pose, standing with feet hip distance apart at the top of the mat. Ground down through the feet and lengthen through the crown of your head. Bring your palms together in front of your heart. Interlace all fingers except index fingers. Inhale, lift your arms up, stretch up. Exhale, side bend to the left. Come back to center, inhale. Exhale, side bend to the right. Come back to center, take a big inhale. Exhale, forward bend, release your fingertips down to the mat. With inhale, lift your left arm up for a twist. Exhale, left hand down to the mat, forward bend. Inhale, right arm up, twist. Exhale, hand down. Inhale, lift your upper body halfway up, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fall down again. Come up to standing, sweep your arms up, inhale. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Interlace your fingers, 2 more rounds like this. Inhale, lift your arms up, lengthen. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale in center. Exhale to the right. Inhale in center. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, lift your left arm up, twist. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, down. Inhale, lengthen the spine, halfway lift. Exhale, full forward bend. Roll up to standing, reach your arms up, inhale. Exhale, palms to your heart. 1 more round. Inhale, lift your arms. Exhale to the left. Inhale in center. Exhale to the right. Inhale in center, really lengthen through the sides of the body. And exhale, fall down. Inhale, left arm up, twist. Exhale, down. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, down. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward bend. Come up, lift the arms up, big inhale. Exhale, palms to your heart. Shift your weight into right foot. Inhale, lift your left knee up. Exhale, step back into high lunge. Bend your right knee above the ankle. With your next inhale, sweep your arms up, reach up. Exhale, drop your left knee down, untuck your toes for low lunge position. Bend your elbows, palms facing forward. With inhale, lift your chest up, pull your elbows back. Exhale, round the back, bring your forearms together. Inhale, sink your hips down, lift up through the chest. Exhale, round the back, hands together. 1 more time, inhale, lift up. Exhale, round. Inhale, sweep your arms up, low lunge. Exhale, half split. Release your hands down, straighten your front leg. Take a moment here to stretch out the back of the leg. Bend your front leg again and make your way to downward facing dog. Step your front foot back. Press through your hands, lift up through the hips. Take a big inhale and exhale, step or walk forward. Inhale halfway up, long spine. Exhale, fall down over your legs. With inhale, come up to standing, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Same on the other side. Inhale, lift your right knee up. Exhale, step back into high lunge. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, drop your back knee down. Find your low lunge position. Bend the elbows into a cactus shape. Inhale, lift your chest up, pull your shoulders and elbows back. Exhale, round the back. Bring your hands together. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, straighten your arms up. Exhale, half split. Find some stillness in this pose and a stretch on the back of the leg. Make your way to downward facing dog. Take one inhale, prepare. Exhale, step or walk forward. Inhale, half forward bend. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale to standing, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Now take your feet out wide, feet parallel to each other. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, forward bend from the hips. Keep your fingertips on the mat, kind of underneath your face, in center, for a few twists. Inhale, lift your right arm up, look up to your upper hand. Exhale, bring your hand down. Inhale, left arm up, twist. Exhale, down. Keep moving with your breath. With inhale, lift your arm, look up. Exhale, bring your hand down again. Take one more breath in center. Then heel to your feet closer together for yoga squat. Toes turn out, heels in, sit down as deep as you can. Keep your fingertips on the mat for twists. Inhale, lift your right arm up, open your chest towards the ceiling. Keep pulling your right knee away. One more big breath. And release your right hand down. Same on the other side. Left arm lifts up. Keep pulling your left knee away. Breathe here. Release your left hand down and sit down to your mat for 90-90 stretch. Bring your legs in 90 angle shapes. Doesn't matter which leg is in front. Flex your feet. Turn your chest towards your front shin. With inhale, lengthen your spine a bit more. And exhale, walk your fingers forward, lowering chest towards your shin. See if you can notice the stretch on the outside of your front hip. It's usually a similar stretch to pigeon pose. Come up to seated and just turn to the other side, so the other shin is in front now. Flex your feet slightly. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fall down to your shin. You can stay up on your hands or lower down to the forearms. Just find the intensity that works for you. It might be the same or a little different on each side. Come up to seated and cross your legs to take one more breath together. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bring your palms to your heart. Day 14 of Morning Yoga Challenge complete. Good job showing up on your mat in the past 2 weeks. I hope you're enjoying your morning practice. See you tomorrow for day 15. Have a great day. Bye.